If pi r carries I current, then r d theta will carry what current? That I get from here. R d theta will carry I divided by pi r into R d theta current. I got it. This is the current. Now for me, there is a wire carrying what current? I d theta by pi. Correct here?
Yes, sir.
And I am to find field where? Here. At O. O is at what distance known to you? R. So what will be dV? Come on, tell me. Finitely long, you know. Mu naught 4 pi. Tell me all of you. Pratyush, tell me. Mu naught 4 pi. What was the formula?
I d
Mu
theta,
naught 4
I d
finitely long.
theta by pi r.
What was the formula? Mu naught 4 pi.
Mu naught by 4 pi.
Tell me. Twice
I
of
and that
I as this twice of pi d
I
theta
by
pi
yes sir
divided by
pi.
I okay divided by
So that
So
portion
what is this for?
this is the spot. What is the spot? What is where I am finding?
R cube.
You divided by
R cube.
what are you saying, Pratyush? Again, divided by R cube. Straight wire produces what magnetic field? Mu naught 4 pi twice I by R.
So I
That is
yes
what correct?
yes sir.
What did I write over here? Capital R. Correct?
Yes sir. Sorry sir.
So the pi.
dV, then tell me quickly, dV, what will it be? What will B be from here? Now, one question, please. Just a minute
Sir.
before you calculate.
Bottom part of the board is not visible.
Acha, fine. I'll write over here. dB vector, I write mu naught 4 pi twice I by pi r to d theta. This is Pratyush.
Yes sir.
Now tell me, Aditya, this dB which I am getting at O generated by length RD theta, correct Aditya? Cross sectional length. Is it okay, Aditya? Aditya, are you there?
No.
Aditya?
Hello.
Yeah, Aditya, you are audible, dear. Am I audible?
That's really bad, sir. You're audible, but I can't see anything on the board. Like,
Why?
I have really bad net.
I have asked of it being shown
No,
to you.
my
correct?
connection's bad. My connection's bad.
Your connection is bad. Okay. 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 So what will I get over here? Anyone? Any volunteer for this? B field which I am getting over here, but I am getting over here vectorially. Now this is the contention for me. The bone of contention being dB is vector, and I cannot integrate. I cannot integrate unless and until I prove that all the dBs are to be in same direction. Can I prove it? Can I prove all the dBs to be in same direction? And for that, what I was asking of Aditya is dB due to this one, cross sectional length RD theta, will be in which direction? Magnitude is this, okay. But direction, how will I get? What I am to do? I am to place
Out of the
thumb in
board.
the direction of current, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes,
So
sir.
I place thumb in the direction of current and curl my finger. Got it? Yeah?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Out of the
Okay.
board.
Hello
And
sir.
when I do so, I get various B field loops. Correct? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So can you once repeat? I got disconnected.
Which of the three loops will merit over here? This one. Correct? Check it here. Check it. Thumb outward, curling of the finger. Curling of the finger gets you B field line. We have studied due to infinity long straight conductor. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So I have curled my finger and the sense of curl will get me the sense of B field. B field over here is sensed anti-clockwise as current is moving out. Right, Pratyush?
Sir. Can you once repeat? I got disconnected.
What happened?
I got disconnected. Can you once repeat?
This is
That-
what is there on the board, dear. Curling of the finger will get you sense of B field. And since there are many a circle, there are concentric circles which you are getting. They are all representation of B field. And we know as we move away from it, B field will keep on decreasing. So which of the circle I am to merit? I will be meriting this circle, right dear? Which circle I'll hold merit
Yes,
to?
sir.
One which is passing through point of calculation, and point of calculation being O. So at O, this infinitely long straight wire will generate B field in the direction shown. Please do check class, this is very important. Is it okay? That is the vector notation. That is the vector notation. Now you get to know the differential between vector and scalar quantity, how to go about them. You know that dB due to this will be in this direction, and if I take anywhere else, then dB will be in a different direction. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
So we are not in a position to integrate it because dB is changing its direction. Correct?
Yeah, so you can take components.
Then we'll be very good here. Then we'll break into components. So we will mark this as dBx and this as dBy and go for integration. dBx. If this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. And the other will be, as you know, theta. So let me go with dBx first. So dBx is what to us? Mu naught 4 pi twice I by pi r into now dBx. So cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta, right here?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So sin theta into d theta. And this will be integrated from where to where? From theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi. Tell me, dear. How much we get dx as? Mu naught I divided by pi square r. And remember this value. Please cross check once. Please cross check once. Mu naught I divided by pi square r. Correct?
One.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 second, sir. Yeah. Correct, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me what will be by? By, any one of you volunteer? Volunteer, any one of you? By?
So dy will become 0.
Yeah, by will become 0. Logically also you can say for every error there will be a counter error, correct? Or if you do mathematically, this will be cos theta, d theta, sin theta, 0 and pi, sin theta is 0, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Correct, yeah.
So can you explain the field part again?
Field part, see, I take a counter over here. Field part for this one. This is a straight wire, right, yeah?
Yes,
It's
sir.
a straight wire. Carrying what current? Carrying this current. Right, Sonit?
Yes, sir.
Now what I do, I want to calculate B field that this will generate. Where? Here. So I need the formula for the same, which is mu naught 4 pi twice I by r. So mu naught 4 pi as it is twice I. I that it bears is I into d theta by pi. So we write I into d theta by pi. And r, where it is, where am I to find the effect? I am to find the effect at a distance r, correct? Because of this wire which is carrying this current and it
Yes,
is
sir.
field oriented, I have to find B field here, correct, Sonit?
Yes, sir.
So we use the formula mu naught 4 pi twice of this current which it is carrying divided by perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance over here is r, right? So we are using formula due to whatever formula we got, we are finding formula due to existence of infinitely long straight conductor. Getting it, Sonit?
Yes,
Due
sir.
to
So,
existence of infinitely long straight conductor. And a straight conductor is carrying what current? I d theta by pi. Clear?
Sir, in the figure, how did you get that DP direction?
DP direction. DP direction will be this towards your thumb. Now I know, correct? And curling of the finger gets you B field. Correct here.
Hmm.
So we curl our finger, we get many a concentric circle. Of the many a concentric circle, we are to take the one passing through point of calculation. Correct?
Okay.
So this will be the direction of B field. And then we break into component to facilitate integration. We are integrating and accordingly getting the end result as Bx being mu naught I pi square r and By 0. Getting it all of you? Got it all of you?
Yes, sir.
There are questions in IRDO where they have used straight steel tray. Instead of getting it in this form, they have used straight steel tray, infinitely spread steel tray. We have to follow the same methodology. They are asking calculate B field at this point. We'll be solving this question. Today is to let them sink. Is it fine, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then that's it for the day. How's the time, Sonit?
6:30.
6:31.
Okay, fine. Fine then. Thank you. Thank you, class.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir.